Well, still a little pissed off, but I'm getting better. But I am gonna go live tonight because there's some things I want to talk about with this team and any, certain possibilities. That may happen. So I'm going to be preparing myself for the live I'm about to do tonight. Those of you who want to come by, come on. Look, whether the Lakers win or whether the Lakers lose, I'm going to be right here. I don't duck. I don't duck anything. But I'm going to do my best to try to have a guest tonight. But even if I don't, hey, as long as I'm talking with y'all, it's all good. As long as y'all respectful. Be respectful. Okay? But about to go ahead and get ready for work. Y'all have a blessed one. And I'll do my best to have one too. Alright, I'm gone.